Sprague Benz. Tanika Graham. Standing strong.
Give me a little loving in the morning. I know me need you by the evening.
Yeah.
Cause you give me something to believe in.
Something real.
You give me something to believe
Something hard, like steel.
I get so sick of love, yeah, it's true. But me wallet down when it comes to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you give me something to believe in.
Shaman.
You give me something to believe in.
Well, if it's a deeper loving you need than what you have now, baby girl, I got it all for you. Waiting patiently for you to come and take charge of the keys that pull the door to my heart and walk through. Come take it for yourself, cause woman you deserve to have tables reserved with most exotic spots. More than deserve a man where always I gotta have your back, your front, your side, your lows, your eyes, and help you rise above the top. 365, I will provide you all of that around the clock.
Loving in the morning. I know me need you by the evening.
But there,
You give me something to believe in.
keep you satisfied.
You give me something to believe in. I get so sick of love, yeah, it's true. But me wallet down when it comes to you. Yeah, you give me something to believe in. You give me something to believe in.
And it's a blessing when the sun rise, I'm done rise to keep her satisfied. I like them wrapped around me like a ribbon that is tied. So she locked me in a that little spot where feel so hot inside. Girl, if you could and see my heart, I love you, that inscribed with a picture right beside my bed as I open my eyes. Me see her, then me look beside me and she dead in life. So inviting, me late but me have to slide between our thighs. We have to do it once or twice, share my price.
Be a little loving in the morning. I know me need you by the evening.
Full scale,
You give me something to believe in.
nah fear.
You give me something to believe in. I get so sick of love, yeah, it's true.
It's true.
But me wallet down when it comes to you. Yeah, you give me something to believe in.
Yeah.
You give me something to believe in.
Yeah, fulfilling that are the perfect adjective. Me no need no more than you, girl. Me love all that you do, girl. And even if we be together over 20 years, you are gonna always be my new girl. Cause you're so real and true, girl. And yeah, me have full faith, say you'd never violate, and so me can't say it. Say me I gonna love you with everything, and me I gonna fly straight. If you should have decide, say you always a go beside of me, ride or die low or ride no goodbye.
Loving in the morning.
It's there.